Hi, my name is Mohammad Bilal Tar. Today the topic of my research paper presentation is smart patient room. Alright, so let's start with the introduction. A typical hospital room interface expects a patient can operate mechanical switches. On the off chance that the patient does not have these capacities at the point, the patient must sit tight for a medical caretaker to stroll by the space to request help. What is a smart patient room? Smart patient rooms are where the patient is complete in control of the room on his own and does not require any caretaker to look after his basic needs. That is, such as turning on and off lights, adjusting the temperature, and inclining and declining of the bed, etc. Now, the advantages and the disadvantages of this smart room. The first advantage of this is beneficial in long run. Right, and then the disadvantage is initial cost of setting up a smart patient room is too much high. The second advantage is that the room is being completely autonomous, helps the patient get all the rest he has been prescribed by the doctor. Now, the second disadvantage is that the possibility of malfunctioning is higher, such as autonomous rooms. The third advantage of our project is that as the patient is all on by his own, there is no need of attendance. The third disadvantage is would not be very efficient in seizure situations. Problem statement: lowering the dependency of the patient on a nurse or a caretaker. The second one is the monitoring of patients would be a lot easier as nurses would not have to visit the patients frequently. System description. The user sends a command through the device through which the actuators are activated and perform the specified task. Take the commands. Will then be sent to the Arduino, which control the devices, which will turn the actuator turn and off. Communication between the devices and Arduino is done by the Bluetooth or Wi-Fi device. Hardware. Hardware includes a tablet that is connected through a Wi-Fi and Bluetooth to Arduino. The switches, sensors, and actuators are connected to the Arduino, taking commands directly from the user to the tablet. Now, this is a circuit diagram of our project. That as you can see, there is an Arduino, which is the wires are moving towards our project actuators. Now, the software. The app on the client's gadget transmits data to any of the modules connected, which impels it to Arduino. The controller receives the data as a digital respect, and after that, sorting out the state gives us beat on the port. The initiating actuators are intended for a solitary short pulse sent by means of Android device buttons. Arduino will then deactivate the handoff and stop the processing error. Continue. Now this is a system flow chart. Future research. We look forward to research for an automated system which utilizes its own sensors and Wi-Fi to convey dinners, equipment, and supplies to the clinic floor. Mechanical autonomy helps specialists in the working room and wearable gadgets for those with ceaseless conditions. For example, diabetes or hypertension are connected to the care centers. Also, we need to design a system for administration of data and correspondence innovation. Thank you.